The psychosocial theory of Erik Erikson. Erikson was of the view that human personality develops in a series of stages, each with its particular goal, concerns, accomplishment, and dangers. The stages are interdependent. Accomplishment at later stages depend on how conflicts are resolved in their earlier years. Each stage in Erikson's theory is concerned with becoming competent in an area of life. If the stage is handled well, the person will feel a sense of adequacy, and if the stage is handled poorly, the person will develop a sense of inadequacy or inadequacy. At each stage, Erikson suggests that the individual faces a developmental crisis, a conflict between a positive alternative and a potentially unhealthy alternative. The way in which the individual resolves each crisis will have a lasting effect on that person's self image and view of society. Erik Erikson, his theory comprised of 8 stages, where each stage, from birth to old age, has a particular issue to be resolved or accomplished before moving satisfactorily to the next stage. The stages are as follow. Number 1, trust versus mistrust. Number 2, autonomy versus shame and doubt. Third one is initiative versus guilt. Fourth one is industry versus inferiority. Next is identity versus identity confusion. Next is intimacy versus isolation. Generativity versus stagnation. And the last one is ego integration versus despair.